Atlas corpco compressor used in sandblasting and painting and industrial works. Powered by Honda, Kubota or Deutz diesel engines, Atlas Copco's Series 7 portable compressors are compact, efficient, economical and easy to operate. They give you a reliable source of compressed air to drive your pneumatic tools, as well as your high free air delivery. Applications such as sandblasting. All Series 7 models comply with current regulation. Technical specifications of the Atlas Copco XAS 97DD portable air compressor. Model XAS 97DD. Free air delivery at normal working pressure. ISO 1217 standard. 5.3 cubic meters per minute. 190 CFM. Normal working pressure. 7 bars. 102 psig. Maximum unloading pressure 4/8.5 bar. Compression stages 1. Air receiver capacity 16.7 L. Compressor oil capacity 8 L. Approximate air outlet temperature 90 degrees Celsius standard. Typical oil content of compressed air less than 5 mg per cubic meter. Fuel tank capacity 80 L. Outlet valve configuration 3/3/4 G. Nominal working condition inlet pressure 1 bar, humidity 0%, temp 20 degrees Celsius. Sound pressure level ISO 2125 standard, 72 decibels A ±3. Maximum ambient temperature at sea level 45 degrees Celsius. Maximum altitude 5,000 meters. Minimum starting temperature -10 degrees Celsius, -25 degrees Celsius with assist. Diesel engine data Deutz F3M2011. Horsepower developed at rated speed 36 kilowatts. Cylinders 3. Cooling system oil. Engine coolant capacity same system with engine oil. Engine oil capacity 8.5 liter. Unloaded speed maximum loaded speed 1850-2750 rpm. Dimensions. Length 3063 mm with tow bar. Width 1410 mm. Height 1258 mm. Weight filled with oil and coolant. Initial fuel 840 kilograms. For more details check description.